Most boats today have two fuel filters, a limited capacity engine fuel filter that provides a signal that shuts down or puts your outboard into safe mode when water and fuel is detected. Before this small on-engine fuel filter is a primary off-engine filter with larger capacity but no warning signal. A signal filter replaces the simple primary with a fuel filter that is a NMEA 2000 certified smart filter. The signal filter plugs directly into the NMEA bus drop, providing an early warning at your MFD. The signal filter alert system comes in three types: gauge alert, LED alert, and NMEA.